Hi guys, so in this tutorial I will create this voxel effect. You can see these particles spawning on a character, but in a very systematic way. They are not overlapping each other. They are aligned properly. So this is what we will create through Scratchpad today. So let's start this.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So in this tutorial, we will create the voxel effect on any mesh, and in previous tutorials, I have shown you how to create static mesh location using Scratch Pad, but in this one, I will use default static mesh location. So let's create it with Niagara, and I'll delete the sprite and I'll take the mesh, and in mesh, I need cube and delete all these modules. And let's say you have burst, turn this on, maybe 100 particles for now, and just once life is infinite. And I'm using static mesh default module, and here I will take maybe character, copy paste it here, thousand, and move this down and make the size, turn this off, life is infinite. That's it. We should have that, but it's not showing. Oh, I accidentally deleted. Let me choose the cube again. And yeah, we have that character. But see these particles randomly spawning on that character, so they are like intersecting each other, penetrating. And I don't want that. I want a voxel effect where each cube has some gap between them. They are aligned properly. So to do that, you have a very simple thing you can do. In a scratch pad, you can call it voxel, and you can just take the position here of particle because we want to set the position. So take the position, then set the position of particle, and take the integer for the gap. So this is the gap between them, or you can say size of voxel. So this is gap. So you just need to divide the position with gap, and you can do that separately. You can make x, y, z, then you can break the position x, y, z. But I'm doing this all together. Just round that value and then multiply this again with the gap and connect this to position. That's it. You are done. Turn this on while it's turning off. And if I'm increasing this value, see, they are not overlapping each other, and you can increase the spawn rate like this and decrease the size if you want, and like this much, and then you can tweak this value. See, we have this nice looking voxel effect. Okay, so when you will increase the particle spawn rate maybe like 5000, so you need to decrease the spawn rate, or sorry, the particle size. Then you can adjust that here, so you will have that. Okay, but for now I will use maybe 2000, increase the size and set this like this. So that's it. That's a very quick tutorial, and I hope you liked it. You learned something new. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.